Replacement brush tables for panel bending and punching turret presses. The single largest application for the standard staple set brush panel is in the turret press industry. In the last 10 years, new design features and surface finish demands have essentially mandated that a brush panel surface be used to accomplish the desired objective. Our OEM-quality turret replacement brush panels have been designed to meet industry standards. At RBT, we make replacement brush panels for Amada, Salvagnini, LVD Strippit, Euromac, Muratec, Trumpf, and Prima-Power. Whether one brush panel or a complete brush table wears out, the chances of scratching to metal or inducing a malfunction by providing an uneven work surface is not worth the risk when the option for replacement is so practical. If you want to replace a complete table, we can make all new brush panels to your standard and make improvements to provide longer life.